What has happened, people? Let's walk through what I'm kind of expecting for today. Yesterday, I did take a GU sell in here, which was very, very clean. Probably could have held this like 1 to 5. It did take the low, but a quick 1 to 3, which was very, very nice. Now coming into today, we are still in this daily point on both pairs. We now have kind of broken this range now. EU, I think buyers make more sense. We haven't created a structure cycle here yet. So what I would more or less be looking for is if we can come down into here, push up and break this and get something like that, I'm really, really okay to buy. I am okay to take short-term sells down into that type of area. So we can look at doing something like that. But buyers are the higher quality play, at least coming into today. So I am open to either one of those moves. Now, reasons for that, obviously it's all liquidity based. And it's something I'll go in depth with the guys on the live tonight. So if you are interested in that, link obviously below. That's probably it. So that's kind of my outlook on EU. We can get a retracement here, but it's more likely to buy until it tells us not to. Now GU, more or less the same type of situation, except where we have already retested the area that I kind of wanted to already retest. So what I'm seeing is a really, really good liquidity build up, which is quite clean. All I'm looking to see happen, and this is kind of the only option I'm open to, is take this low and a push up through that. So that's all I'm open to on GU today. I'm open to taking a buy off of the Asia lows, which is very, very rare for me to do, but I don't mind it. So I am open to that, and that's kind of all I see on GU. Now this can sell through this area. What I'll actually look for as well is in this area here, looking to actually sell down into that on open, because we've got about an hour. We'll see where price is, but that's kind of the options there. Now, AU, we are starting to go sideways. I did have us selling off for the week, but it's like we have no structure, unfortunately. We still haven't broken this low. There's just nothing to do on AU. It is sideways chop. So AU is untradeable. And then the DXY, we're kind of getting that move now. Like I said, I wanted to give a bit of a retracement to the upside. As you can see on the 4 hour, it's kind of starting to give us the option to do that. This should be a trap. So more than likely, I'm expecting something like that, which on EU and GU more or less would be the same. It would be this type of move here, catching that continuation. So that's why I said I'm open to catch that and or that. But it all happens to do with the liquidity build up at the point of break of structure. So my break is this break here. I want to build liquidity here, and I'll be working to and from that liquidity area. GU, more or less the same situation. I'm quite happy to actually sell down into that, given where the liquidity lies at the moment. We can kind of go from there, I believe. Yeah, and that's kind of it. We're waiting for price to kind of sort itself out at the moment. Both of these pairs economically they do make sense to sell. So we'll obviously see if that's the case. Especially Euro. Euro makes sense to go lower. So I would like to see some sell off. We've got heaps of imbalance to fill. We are at a really, really good daily point, and kind of go from there. So live with the group tonight, if you guys are interested in that, links below, free Telegram, free Discord, premium Discord. It's all there. And I will look at going live on YouTube tomorrow. It completely just depends if I can get my internet working, which I'm trying to do. So that's all from me today. Very, very quick one. Quite easy, straightforward outlook. Any questions, drop them below, and let's continue on a good week so far.